Hello everyone, I welcome you all on Tech Insight. So here you're gonna find information regarding IT jobs, IT news, programming languages, interview questions and much more. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Hey guys, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप सब? So I am again back with very good opportunities for freshers as well as experienced person. So आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो पहली जॉब from Yes Technology, second job is from PayPal, then from Excel Dynamics, then from Subex, then from Elitmas that is for Diamond Pick and so on. So let's start video from the very first job that is from Yes Technologies. They are hiring for trainee programmer that is for a data job and the location is Pune. So guys ये job बहुत अच्छी है for someone who is looking to make his career in big data. They are hiring for big data professionals at a trainee level. That means you should be fresher. So the selected candidate would get training and the opportunity to work in live projects in big data, cloud analytics. So if you are a rank holder on HackerRank, then your profile will be preferred. You should be having minimum 60% throughout your academics. So the applicant from computer science, IT and electronics are eligible for this job. However, they haven't mentioned BE, BTech or BSc. So guys, अगर आपने इन फील्ड से ग्रेजुएशन किया है तो यू आर एलिजिबल. So you should have good understanding of coding and data structure principles and application of coding standards. So guys, if your skill matches the requirement, definitely go and apply for the job as it is a very good job for fresher. Now moving on to the second job that is from PayPal. They're hiring for software engineer 1 for the location Chennai. Here is the apply button. You can either apply with LinkedIn. So the job description includes only 2019 and 2020 graduates can apply for this job. So they haven't mentioned any special language over here, but their prime focus is on developing code, and code is well commented, typically improves after one or more code reviews. So guys, if you are freshers, definitely you can apply for the job if you are looking for this location. Now the next job is from Excel Dynamics. So they have a wide range of offices spread across India. You can see these many locations. So for today they are hiring for financial analyst. It is a night shift job and only for the male candidate, and if you are having 0 to 8 years of experience, you can apply for the job. Salary range from 3 lakh to 6 lakhs per annum, and plus 1 lakh is variable CTC as a night allowance. So these are the key responsibilities which you can read by pausing this video. Here you can fill this information tab in order to apply for this job. So they have specially mentioned the notes. For example, CA is not eligible to apply. If you are having any ATKT or back in your current degree, then you cannot apply. Now the next job is from Subex. They are hiring for test engineer for the freshers drive. So it is basically for software engineer for the Java profile. These are the responsibilities which you can read by pausing the video. I will be quickly taking you towards the criteria, that is a job criteria which includes BE, BTech in CSC, ISC, EC, ETC or similars with 60% throughout your degree, no standing arrears. It is for the location Bangalore and year of pass out is 2020, and the training agreement is 2 years. That means there is a bond of 2 years if you are getting selected in this company, and freshers can apply for the job again for the resting profile. Now the next job is from Elitmas and the company name is Diamond Pick. They are hiring for trainee recruitment and the package is 3.5 lakh and 3 lakh is variable. It is for the freshers 2020 pass out. So the eligibility criteria is 2020 pass out, which I have already told, and you should be either BE, BTech, BBA, BA, BCom, good academics, and excellent communication skills, basic knowledge of technologies, able to work on MS Office. And here is the apply button in order to apply for this job. Now the next job is from Capita. They are hiring for graduate engineer training, that is GET. Let's get quickly into the details, which includes work location is Pune. Annual CTC is 4 lakh per annum plus gratuity and some other benefits. I'll be quickly focusing on the eligibility criteria, which includes BE, BTech in computer science, IT, ENTC, MCA passed out, that is in 2019, 2020, 60% throughout 10th, 12th engineering MCA. There is no service bond and it should be trained on IBM technologies. That means it is basically for the IBM mainframe technology. So must have is COBOL, JCL, DB2, good written and verbal communication skills. So guys, if your skill matches the requirement, definitely you can apply for this job. And coming down, you can see that here is the form which you can fill in order to apply for this job. Now the next job is again from Global Edge Electron Group. They are hiring for Android developers and Java certified freshers. So the CTC offered is 3 lakh to 3.5 lakh per annum for both profiles. Service bond is 3 years. That means there is a bond of 3 years, and the eligibility criteria includes BE Tech 2018 to 2021. Candidates can apply for this job. And for the Java certified freshers, it is 2020 pass out with 65% aggregate in 10, 12 diploma, 60%. And CS, IS, IT and ENC branches are eligible. So you can read more of the details by scrolling down towards the video. This link will be in the description of this video. So they have mentioned all the two jobs, that is Android developer and Java developer for the certified professionals. So these are the must have skills such as Spring Boot, MySQL, JSP, Docker, Git, etc. So you can apply for the job by filling this form over here. So next job is from Map IT Anatomy. They are hiring for software engineer trainee, and this job is live from 5th of March. Test is live. That means you can appear for this test. Test duration is 1 hour 15 minutes. And it ends on the 17th of March, that is tomorrow itself. So please apply for the job as soon as possible. Eligibility criteria includes 2020 BE, BTech, BCSC, MCA, MSc, MTech, CSIT, IS, good academics, greater than 60%, no backlogs is eligible for this job. During internship, you will get 25,000, and after that, you will be hired on a permanent role with 5.5 lakh per annum. And the internship is of 6 months. So here is the button in order to apply for this job. Now, the last job for today is from Tripta Innovations Private Limited, hiring for C Sharp desktop developers. Experience range is 0 years, that means freshers. Package is 2 to 4 years, and the location is Surat. So BE, BTech, CSIT, BCMC candidates can apply for this job, and the target batch is 2021. So their selection round includes aptitude test, practical test, and final interview. So guys, if your skill matches the requirement, you can apply for this job. Again, it is for freshers. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you're liking these kind of videos. If you do so, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with maximum of your friends who are searching for a job. If you want me to make a video on a particular topic, comment it down below. I thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.